So first we'll start with face authentication. I will show you the face authentication feature of Jarvis, where the system verifies the user's identity using real-time facial recognition. So first we'll run this run.py file. So you can see that process 1 and process 2 are running. You can see that our system has started and the ADP is also connected successfully. So you can see your ADP is successfully connected.
Ready for face authentication. Face authentication successful. Hello, welcome sir, how can I help you?
So this is the main interface of Jarvis. At the center of the screen, you can see a rotating sphere which represents the active AI system. Right below the sphere, there is a prompt that says ask me anything. This is where users interact with Jarvis by sending questions or commands. Under that, you can see the input field. Here users can simply type any message or instruction they want Jarvis to execute. Next to the input field, there is a microphone button. This enables text speech to text functionality, allowing the users to speak directly to Jarvis instead of typing. The assistant then processes the speaking command and responds accordingly. Beside the microphone, there is a chat history section. This area shows previous conversation between the user and Jarvis, allowing users to review earlier interaction and commands. Next, we have the settings section. Inside the setting panel, users can manage their personal information such as their name and other preferences. This allows Jarvis to personalize responses and improve the overall interaction experience. Another important section here is the command panels. This panel contains predefined system commands and web commands. These commands allow Jarvis to perform specific action like executing system tasks or retrieving information from the web. Finally, we have the web phone book section. This is where all the user's contact details are stored. Jarvis can access these contacts when needed, which allows the assistant to perform contact related action in the future. Next, we will test a simple prompt to see how Jarvis responds. So here I will type a basic message, "Hi, how are you?" and send it. Now let's wait for the
I'm doing
response.
well, thank you for asking.
As you can
How are
see,
you?
Jarvis has successfully processed the request and generate a response. This shows that the backend AI model is properly connected and the system is able to handle user's query in real time.
Now I'm going to demonstrate the advanced reasoning capabilities of Jarvis. Here on the interface you can see the microphone button. This button is used to enable voice input. Once I press it, the system activates speech to text, allowing me to give prompts using my voice instead of typing. So after the microphone is enabled, Jarvis listens to my questions, converts my speech into text, processes the request using AI reasoning, and then generates an intelligent response. So for example, I will ask a reasoning based question. Summarize the importance of cybersecurity in 30 words. So here you can see Jarvis understand
Cybersecurity
constraints.
protects digital data, systems, and privacy from threats. It ensures business continuity, national security, and trust in our interconnected world, safeguarding individuals and organizations from harm.
So here you had seen that Jarvis understand constraints like word limits, contents, and intent, then produces a concise and structured answer. This demonstrates real-time voice interaction combined with advanced natural language understanding. As you can see, the response is generated, showing how the Jarvis can assist users through conversational AI, making interaction faster, more natural, and efficient. Now I will demonstrate the hotword detection feature of Jarvis. Jarvis does not require manual interaction every time through the microphone button. In addition to button-based voice input, the system also supports hotword detection. So for example, when I say the wake word Jarvis, explain the impact of automation on future employment in brief.
Automation will significantly reshape future employment, creating a dual impact of both job displacement and new job creation/transformation. Displacement, routine, repetitive, and predictable tasks, example in manufacturing, data entry of work rather than simply an elimination of jobs, demanding greater adaptability and continuous learning from the workforce.
Now we will move towards the opening commands feature. Opening commands allows the assistant to execute system-level or web-based action directly through voice instructions instead of manually searching or navigating applications. Users can simply speak a command and Jarvis performs tasks automatically. Let's try some open commands. First, I will ask to open a website. Jarvis, open Google.
Opening Google.
So as you can see, Jarvis successfully launches Google automatically. So now let's try opening media through voice interaction. I will ask Jarvis to play a song directly from YouTube. So I will ask, play Starboy on YouTube.
Playing Starboy on YouTube.
So here you have seen that Jarvis processes the command, opens YouTube, searches for the requested content and starts playing the music automatically. Now I will demonstrate the WhatsApp automation feature of Jarvis. This feature allows Jarvis to send messages automatically using voice commands, reducing the need for manual typing. Let's see how messaging works. Now I will give Jarvis a command. Send message to I.
Which mode you want to use, WhatsApp or mobile?
WhatsApp.
What message to send?
Hello mom, how are you? As you can see, Jarvis automatically opens WhatsApp
Message
desktop
sent successfully to AI.
and types the message and prepares it for sending without manual interaction. So I will send a prompt here. Make a phone call to mom.
Which mode you want to use, WhatsApp or mobile?
Mobile. So you can see he
Calling
has
mom.
selected them, and here is the response from our Jarvis.
So that was the complete overview of my Nexavoice Jarvis AI voice assistant project. The goal of this project was to create a real-time AI-powered assistant interface that demonstrates how modern technologies like speech recognition, natural language processing, and full-stack web development can work together to build an intelligent system. If you found this project interesting, feel free to like the video and check out the project repository or portfolio for more details about the implementation. Thank you for watching.